Welcome everyone, my name is Michael. Today I'm gonna do just a nice long center blowout, okay? I'm gonna put down a little bit of a pillow base here, and then I'm gonna put down the nice Amsterdam black in the middle and just blow it out top and bottom. All right, super easy. I get to use the hairdryer, always excited about that. But let's move that out of the way because I want to get to these colors. Woo, I'm excited. All right, so I got a lot of colors here, but we can go through them really quickly. All right, and we're gonna start right down over here, and this is turquoise, okay? Then we have a iridescent light blue. Then we have iridescent ultramarine. Then we have light blue violet. All right, then we have brilliant purple. All right. We have a quinacridone magenta, and then we have a fluorescent pink. All right. Then we also, like I said, we have the this is the Amsterdam oxide black. All right. And then as our pillow base, we're just using this is actually just what I've been doing almost now as my cloud pillow base, which is 2 parts of the pouring medium and 1 part of the Loft level 1 and just titanium white. That's what I've been doing as my pillow, kind of like a pillow cloud mix. Okay, we're gonna use that today, just top and bottom. Okay, I'm gonna move this over here. All right, so basically now, what I need to do is get this all off of here. And then we're just going to go right into everything, okay? I'm going to put everything down and we're going to blow it all out. We're just going to go into 1 song. We don't need to go to 2 songs this time. It's very easy. All right. With all that being said, guys, I will see you on the other side. Let's go. All right. I just want to come back in here. Wow. Listen, I love doing these. And I know these are a little different than just a normal Dutch pour because it is sort of like that blowout style. But I love throwing the like the cloud pillow mix underneath, because we can get all these little pearl cells popping up even though it is just a blowout. So that's really cool. And keeping the negative space in the middle, I just love it. All right. Whew. Yeah, this is so great. I overwork it just a little because there's a lot of black in there. I probably need to go with less black or just a bigger canvas altogether. I think a bigger canvas for this would be great. But I am also a lover of negative space, so I don't mind this as much. Now, I did go a little crazy blowing out this top. There was a little bit too much black up here, but now we're getting these weird. I can't wait to go into the close-up because now there's some weird like action going on up here. It's like a weird stretching almost like of the cloud mixture. I don't really see that. I've seen this a little bit, and it seems like when you get this, it's gonna start cracking. So I hope this doesn't crack. But this is very rare over here, so this is cool. But yeah, look at these little pearly cells in here. They're so beautiful. I love it. All right, whew, excited. I love it. Let me torch again, because you know a lot of stuff is gonna happen here. A lot of this is gonna come out. Man, I love it. It's beautiful. I'm gonna do another one. I'm gonna do bigger, I think. Definitely. I'll go with at least the 16 by 20. That I know I can fit in the frame pretty easily. Not easily, but enough that we can get in here. And I love these little smoky sections in here too. Wow, I can't wait to go into those close-up, guys. Wow! Love it. All right, here we go. All right. So yeah, we're gonna go into close-ups, and like I always say, just a big thank you overall for watching these videos. Oh, I'm a little messy. For watching these videos and learning what you can and taking stuff away that you like to use in your studio. Hopefully now you see this and you say, hey, I'm gonna do this just a center blowout. Very easy. Instead of, okay, so this is very nice. Let me just say something here. This is kind of born a little bit out of just doing like a swipe, because you can put the black in the middle and then swipe up and down. But you know, I like doing a Dutch pour style where we could blow it out. So that's kind of cool. All right, again, you know me. I'll chat you guys up forever. Some of you love it, some of you don't. But you know me, I can't control myself sometimes. All right, with all that being said, again, thank you, and I will see you. Oh, stay for those close-ups. I'm gonna stay for the wet and the dry close-ups. All right, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.